Summer retreat. Summer and retreat. Summer retreat is called yarney in Tibetan language. Yar means summer and ne means to stay in a retreat. It is also called rainy season retreat because it mostly forms in the rainy season. We can clearly gain information about it in the Buddhist scripture called Vinaya. It is one of the three basic rituals of the Vinaya. The three basic rituals of Vinaya are summer retreat, vow restoring ceremony. In Tibetan it is called sojong. And the third one is release ceremony for ending the summer retreat. During the time of summer retreat, Buddhist monks stop their travels and outdoor activities and gather at their monastery or some particular area to involve themselves in summer retreat. In order to prevent the killing of insects and worms and to avoid different accidents that happens in the time of monsoon, Buddhist monks ordain the vows of summer retreat and they do all the things that Buddha has instructed about the retreat. In this period, monks become aware because of not being distracted and busy. And they enroll in the practice of meditation, learning, studying, and understanding the teachings of Lord Buddha. Mostly in this period of time. There are two ways or two kinds of summer retreat. The first one is called earlier summer retreat and second one is later summer retreat. Monks remain in the retreat for 3 months or 1.5 months in the Tibetan tradition. Depending on the way of counting, generally it begins after the full moon day of the 8th lunar month. Mostly it occurs in the month of July and August. It has different rules and discipline to follow which are very beneficial and brings joy and happiness in the result to both oneself and others. In the history of Lord Buddha attained the Buddhahood on the age of 35. On that very year, because of many different reasons, Lord Buddha established this rule of being in summer retreat for all the Sangha or his followers. After enlightened, Buddha himself engaged in summer retreat for 45 times from the age of 35 to 80. The first summer retreat was held in the place in Deer Park of Sarnath at Varanasi. Yes, I am talking about the Varanasi where Buddha also gave his first teachings about 4 noble truths to his first 5 disciples. Now on this pandemic year, yes, I'm talking about this year, of course, we all have been through hard times. Likewise, we, the monks of Vajra Vidya Institute, had hard times. But also, fortunately, we had a great opportunity to be in later summer retreat. In the institute near Sarnath Stupa in Varanasi, we did our summer retreat. This is our 18th summer retreat and it is record that we never have had such a huge number of Sangha. Exactly 100 monks are bhikshu and 30 monks are Sharmanera. In total, 130 monks ordained the vow of summer retreat. And within this summer retreat, we did morning ceremony at 5:30 in the morning. We took Buddhist philosophy and Tibetan grammar and debating classes, special puja at lunch, vow restoring or sojong on special occasion, small puja on special days, and we debate and had teachings of our khenpos and teachers on the last day of the summer retreat. We were not able to do all the things that we should do in summer retreat because of this pandemic year. But we are fortunate and happy that we completed the 18th summer retreat from 4th August to 17th September. Lastly, thank you for watching this video very much. Always be happy, be related with good deeds, and always do dharma, benefit other person, other beings, and we dedicate all our merits of staying in summer retreat for the happiness of all sentient beings.